job. Let's work on texture. Here, I drew a leaf. I started by drawing some very sharp triangular edges, like a teeth or a claw. Then I drew a line down the middle. And then I drew some pencil marks to indicate shadows. Okay, so that's one way to draw texture, is by the shape and by implying texture by sharp lines like that. So this would be a hard texture. Here I have some soft texture, and I did it because my lines are really soft here. If you can see, they're very light gray, very light in value. And then here they get a little darker. And then here they get a lot darker, right? And then here they get even darker. So the texture here is soft. See? And I think if you draw kind of spirals or pretend like it's a mist, like clouds or like a poodle, you can draw some really great textures with a pencil. Okay? You can also draw some really great textures with the eraser. So, if you want to draw even softer textures, the way you saw me do my sphere when I turned the circle into a sphere, so you can erase some of these marks very, very lightly. Look at my eraser. Barely used it, right? Barely used it. That is some great texture right there. Just barely over your pencil marks. And in curves, you will see a lot of my drawings use this technique. I love texture. I love texture in my food. In my oatmeal, I like to add walnuts for some hard texture. And I like to add cranberries for a soft texture. Okay? Texture.